Good evening, friends. Out here at deck side. Here is grilling tip number 342. So what we got here is the good old classic Weber Spirit. And I like grilled food, tastes good. But what you really want is that really nice smoky flavor. If you can see there in the background, we got some smoke going. And even with the burners down low, nice 350 degrees. That's basically what you would call baked chicken. So I got a small bread pan. I put about 4 charcoal briquettes in it. I soaked some wood chips. You can buy at your local store. Some wood chips. Lit the briquettes. Let them burn down through the moist chips on top and let them smoke. Then throw the chicken on. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, check that out. Who don't like some chicken?